Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. This is your host INAM and you are watching Electrical Engineering Hub by Engineer INAM. Students, welcome back to our channel and this is our second video of the series IOT means Internet of Things through NodeMCU microcontroller. Here you can see. Students, in this video we will see two tasks in which number one is very basic task. We will see the LED blinking through this NodeMCU microcontroller, and the second task is very much important. We will see that how we will measure and sense the temperature and also the humidity of this room or environment through this NodeMCU microcontroller by the help of DHT22 temperature and humidity sensor. Students, I hope you will like this video, and if you like this video, students, kindly thumbs up this video and share this video. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So we have connected our NodeMCU through our system. After that, open the Arduino IDE software. Now go to tools and select COM, port and COM1. Okay, so students, if in this port option, tools, in this port option, if COM option is disabled, means you need to install the drivers, and the link of these drivers is given in the description below. After the successful installation of drivers, COM option will become enabled. Now the very basic project number 1 is we are going to perform, which is LED blinking, just for your understanding that how NodeMCU works. Now let's start the program. First of all, hash define LED, which is any digital port from 1 to 8. Let's say D5. Okay, so after that, in void setup, we have to write pin mode, pin mode, LED, and this is our output pin. And after that, in void loop, we have to write digital write LED and high. After that, delay of, let's say, 1000, and digital write LED low, and delay 1000. So let's save it on the desktop. LED blinking. So compile the program. Sorry student, here. Now let's compile the program. Now students, now because these two commands are written in void loop, so as long as the program is running, the loop is also running, and the LED will become high and low after some delay. So you have to upload this program on NodeMCU, so select this option. Now it is compiling sketch. Just complete this and wait for a minute. It is connecting to COM1. Now our program is successfully uploaded on NodeMCU. So let's go toward the practical. So now students, we are going to learn how to use DHT22 or 11 sensor in order to measure the temperature and humidity through NodeMCU. This sensor is very much famous because it is very cheap, but it has a very good performance. Here are some specifications of DHT11 and DHT22 sensors. So now students, let's have a look. DHT11 can measure temperature from 0 to 50 degrees centigrade with plus minus 2 degrees centigrade accuracy, while DHT22 can measure temperature from minus 40 to 125 degrees centigrade with plus minus 0.5 degrees centigrade. Students, look here, temperature range. Now humidity range. DHT11 have humidity sensing range from 20 to 80%, while with plus minus 5% accuracy, while DHT22 have humidity range from 0 to 100% with plus minus 2 to 5% accuracy. So DHT22 is much better than DHT11. Here is the pin configuration of DHT11 or 22. We have 3 pins. Number 1 is here, plus pin means VCC. The second pin is the data pin, and the third pin is the minus or ground pin. So moving towards the code. So students, here is the code of our DHT22 temperature and humidity sensor. That through this code we will measure and sense the temperature and humidity of the present environment through the NodeMCU. So first of all, we have to define the libraries. Hash include dht.h. This is the library that is used to include in order to use the DHT sensor. Now after that, hash define DHT pin D2. You can use any digital pin from D0 to D8 of the NodeMCU. After that, hash define DHT type. We are using DHT22. If you are using DHT11, so you have to write here DHT11, but now I am using DHT22, so that is why I am writing here DHT22. After that, you have to define DHT variable like this, DHT pin comma DHT type in the bracket. Now after that, void setup serial dot begin 9600 and serial dot print line DHT22 test. We are testing it. DHT dot begin. This command allow the DHT to start sensing the temperature and humidity. After that, void loop delay and float with humidity, with temperature, and so students, this is very much simple code, and you can get this code by the link given in the description. So that's all about the program. You have to first compile this program. Sorry students, first of all we have to add this library. So go to board manager and go to it is loading, just wait. Go to sketch and include library, add .zip library, and in downloads this DHT sensor library. This library is given in the description link. You can download this library from here. So now the library is installed. Now let's compile this program. Our program is successfully uploaded on NodeMCU. So let's go towards the practical part.